ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا
Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful friends and family member. Hope you are all fine. So today I want to share with you my afternoon routine to night routine. Afternoon, evening, night, all routine I share with you. Already I took Anaya from school. She already back. Now it's time Zohar. So we want to offer prayer. After that I show you what I do and how Anaya spend all the day. So stay with me.
A few moments later.
الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
Read.
والليل إذا والضحى والليل إذا يغشى وما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تنهر تقهر وأما سائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
Okay. Now it's lunch time and I want to make Anaya favorite thing. I want to give her the potato prata. I also teach you. You also please try this at home. It's so delicious and easy, and you can make it in like 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, now I show you. I have here 4 potato. Okay, I cut from center. No, I add water in potato and I want to boil it. Okay, when it boils, then I show you what next step. Okay. This milkshake for Anaya because she like mango milkshake. So when she finish her study, inshallah, until everything ready. Okay, now potato already boiled. Okay, now we peel out it. Okay, and here I have 3 spoon white flour and 2 spoon big 2 spoons brown flour. Okay, white flour and brown flour. Now here I have garam flour. Okay, dal flour also, which call besan also, which call. So I need to add also this 2 spoon in this. 1, 2. Okay, first you mix well. So now I need to peel off the potato. So potato we add in this. Then we add chilies or other things. Okay, now we peel off potato. Okay, now I add. Here I have coriander, 1 green chili and half onion. Okay. In this I add 1 spoon red chili because we like spicy. That's why if you not like spicy, then you can change a half spoon of salt. Nothing other I add. Okay, so now I mix them. Okay, this ready. Now we keep in fridge for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, so now we make prata. You take little bit, not too much. Okay, then roll it like this. This make too much big. You can make small like this. Finish. Okay. Okay, like this you press. As I told you, don't make big because then it's broke. So Now we are going down and I am on to ride bicycle. So we are going down. So here one thing I want to share with you. This here also with Anaya. This kitty, oh my god, and I like kitty too much. She loves too much kitty. So she also with her. She her young sister. She always say like this. Okay, this is our afternoon routine to evening. So Anaya do like this. Sometimes she plays, sometimes she ride bicycle. So inshallah next time I will share your evening to night routine, because now it's video too long if I share night routine also. So that's why I want to finish here. So Anaya,
Bye bye.
bye bye. See you in next video. Take care yourself.